Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to enroll your Fifth Third bank account in Zelle. Open the website, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the left side menu. Click on the tab that says Send Money with Zelle. Now you will see a blue Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button. Then a pop-up message will appear that contains the terms and conditions. After reading and if you agree with the terms and conditions, click on Accept. After that, you need to choose your contact method, whether your primary phone number or your primary email address. In this example, I chose my primary email address. Click on the contact method you wish to select. Then choose a primary account. Since I only have the Fifth Third Momentum checking, I chose that one. If you have any other option, click on the option you wish to select. Now review all the information. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Next. Lastly, you need to validate your account. To continue, you need to enter the verification code that was sent to your chosen contact method. After entering the verification code, click on Next. That's how you enroll your Fifth Third bank account in Zelle. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles.